Hi, this is Nino from Cinema 5D. I'm here with Toby from Sachtler. Hi Toby, how are you?
I'm good, Nino. How are you?
All good. You just released the new 100mm version of the Flowtech, is that right?
That's correct, yeah.
So what's new apart from the fact that it's now the size that a lot of people wanted? Is there anything that has changed compared to the 75mm version?
No, I mean, in general, it's the same. It's the same product. It's using exactly the same carbon fiber profiles as the 75. The one piece we have changed is the interface to the ball. This is the 100 to fit the 100mm ball. We slightly changed the braking mechanism to support a higher payload, and we have slightly adapted the braking clamps to allow for more force, basically.
And I see you also have a handle now.
Yeah, correct. But this is an optional accessory also offer for the 75mm product. Really nice, comfortable little feature that people like.
Just to carry it around.
Just to carry it around, and it will be for the tripod only an optional accessory and will be included in all the 100mm systems.
Okay, cool. But you also have a new mid-level spreader, right?
Yeah, that's correct. So we try to put a little more emphasis on the spreader to develop it a little further. What you can see here is that we are using the lower carbon fiber profile of the tripod for the spreader. This makes it really lightweight. The really cool feature of this is here on top, that where we have different stages of spreader angles depending on what footprint you need. So if you are on a press conference in Tokyo somewhere and you don't have enough space, then you can basically angle the spreader very, very tight like this, right? So then the entire footprint of the tripod is extremely small, and then we have in total 4 different steps where the angle is increasing from one step to another, right? So until it's completely flat, and this is then the biggest footprint. You can also extend the different tripod arms. Here's a little button over here. It's very simple to push the button and extend.
So you don't need to turn a screw anymore. You just press the button.
Correct. It's very, very simple. We have a little scale on here that you can remember how far you brought the arm out, and that you can adjust the other arms accordingly. Yeah. So it's a very simple mechanism. Also, the attachment points here. It's very simple to what we currently have on the Sachtler spreaders. Just push off a button and then click it into the tripod.
Okay, cool. I also saw in the demonstration that when you put it in and you move it back, it automatically goes up. Because sometimes with tripods, when you have it spread out, you have a problem actually putting it back together. You have to unscrew and everything.
This is correct, yeah. And then you see the people using their foot, for instance, to lift it up, yeah.
So, Toby, what's the price point on this new tripod?
So the pricing will be very, very similar to the current Speedlock pricing of the 100mm Sachtler Speedlock tripods.
And that is? You can't say yet.
No.
Okay. Does it ship? I mean, is this going to replace the current carbon fiber 100mm tripods that you have, or is this just an additional option?
So in the long run, we really want this to be our standard tripod for all 75 and 100mm Sachtler tripod systems. But because the Speedlock is so popular, we will leave it on the market a little longer, at least until the end of 2018.
Okay, yeah, thanks Toby,
yeah,
and thanks everybody for watching. This is Cinema 5D, and stay tuned to our YouTube channel and subscribe please. Thanks.